I want to state it clearly on the floor of the House that in matters of public interest there is no question of secrecy because we are all concerned with a matter in which the ex-servicemen are emotionally involved. May I state that from the meeting we had with the Prime Minister in the presence of the Defence Minister, we clearly understood and we were given the assurance that the benefits that will accrue to the ex-servicemen will not be less than what the National Front government had agreed to give them. Here also we were given the assurance that a statement to this effect would be made on the floor of the House by the Defence Minister. I look forward to that statement and that clarification on the floor of the House. I want to make it clear on behalf of the Janata Dal that unless this clarification is coming forth very clearly and categorically that the benefits to the ex-servicemen will be not less than what had already been decided, it will not be possible for the Janata Dal to further get into any commitment or any other proposal of this nature because this is the minimum assurance that we look forward on the floor of the House. Governments may come and governments may go, but any assurance given on the floor of the House has much greater weight. This is what we have understood. If there is any difference in understanding between the Honorable Minister and what I am saying, it may be clarified, but this is what we demand on the floor of the House today. The announcement must come right now from the Defence Minister that the benefits will not be less than what had already been decided upon by the government. Para. Now coming to the general debate, though there is a 4% increase, a nominal increase in the budget provisions of the Defence Ministry. If we take care of global inflation and devaluation in real term, there is a cut in the defense budget. We know that there is an economic hardship. We are in difficult times, but import of real cut in real terms should be fully understood. Para. It is necessary that a holistic view is needed when it comes to the defense and security, and we cannot take only a physical approach to it. Security is not merely a matter of the Defense Ministry because of international environment, foreign policy, economic situation, various social forces in the country, any elements of alienation that may be taking place in any part of the country, drugs and their connection with terrorism, full stop.